Hey everyone, it's me, the Portrait Art, and I am so happy to finally meet you halfway. Now you know that I am a real person. Kinda. Why did I say kinda? What's up? Okay, I know I don't have a twin, and this is video editing. So this acting like two-person kind of thing, it's getting a little bit cliched. Does it still work on YouTube? Well, yeah, if you are informative and funny, but in your case, probably not. Well, thanks for the vote of confidence. Why are you here? Okay, I have noticed that sometimes you don't always ask questions directly and to the point. I mean, how many times have people been asking you what your setup is like? And I like to play devil's advocate. So I'll probably argue with you here and there. And if the viewers like me better. Hey, is that my beer? No, I would never steal beer from myself. That doesn't even make any sense. I've gone a little too far there. This is from your housemate. Okay, I'm starting to assume this is not just some comedy sketch and you're actually part of my dark persona that's manifesting itself. Oh, you assume you actually have a good part of the self and it's not all pretending? That's cute. Okay, I've spent a lot of time doing this portrait. Can I spend some time to talk about it without you bothering me and put me down? Yeah. You were doing the drawing, I was watching the movie. I'll let you do your thing. I'll leave you alone for a while. Okay, well, thank you. Besides, I can't hurt us anyway when we are awake.
Wait, what?
But when we are falling asleep. Near psychiatrist near me.
Now that was just me goofing off as usual. Regarding this drawing, I started out with vine charcoal to establish the boundaries and structures. And when the proportions roughly looks okay, I start to fill in some dark parts with some midtones. They look dark, but they're really midtones, and obviously some parts are really dark. But at this point, I just want to kind of create almost like a foggy, shadowy, clay, kind of like a messy picture, because I know as I refine it, clarity will emerge from the mess, and so it does, because now your left brain and your right brain are working together to help you to figure out, okay, should I move this part here, should I put the eyes there or here, and so on. And I started out with one of the eyes because if one of the eyes looks okay, I can use that as a reference point to make sure the other eyes and the other features are placed properly. Definitely lean on the higher contrast dark side. I used the background in terms of composition. I kind of like this kind of almost like a fan-shaped triangle fan-shaped color, like background. I don't know, I just felt like it. It's just one of those things. And by the time the eyes comes out, you can almost feel like the lips are in the right position. You can almost feel like where the nose should be. Like right now, it feels like it's too right, and so I move a little bit to the left, and the rest is just refining the face, which is the easier part once you have the proportions correct. And I've been just spending more time refining the face, refining the tones, and I didn't want to spend too much time on the hair as usual. I believe I used compressed charcoal to give the hair kind of an unlining dark to mid-tone, and then I used my eraser to put in the highlights. Eraser charcoal, that's not a thing. Okay, erasers to put in the highlights. And there are certain parts, such as right below the neck and the chin, where you really want to make it really dark to show that depth. And I think this drawing took me probably like 2 hours, maybe something like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will release the longer video on Patreon, and if you want to join my course, I have a graffiti course. It's called Drawing for Beginners. You can find it on there. It's a phone app. So any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!